and get maximum suction in that area.
I
I'm
don't
using the
want you to call him. I
RC-2265
want you
three-wing
to
insert
call
carbide.
her.
Oh, you want us to call her?
Yeah, I really want to know if, like, was she really out with my husband? And if she was, I want to
Anyways, hope you
hear
guys
from
enjoyed the
her.
project. We will catch you guys
Okay,
back up
so
on the next one.
question,
Have a great
how
day,
are we
everyone.
supposed to do that exactly if we don't have her phone number?
I do have her phone number, though.
You do?
I do.
Okay. Well, that changes everything. Okay, so we can still pretend to be like the restaurant, but we could call her. It would be like, hey, we wanted to make sure our service lived up to your expectations on your evening out the other night. Something like that. But anyways, we can see if she acknowledges that she was on a date or something. We can do that if you want.
I mean, whatever.